Hey y'all, Sean back with Survival Equals Life and Chanel Farms. So I'm creating a new chicken feeder for the chickens to feed out of. I thought I was recording. Anyway, I went to Home Depot and I bought a 10-foot long, 4-inch in diameter piece of PVC pipe, and I'm cutting it in half. Then I came and I cut 3 1-foot sections. I'm fixing to draw a little diameter around the 1-foot sections that this is going to sit in. So I'll be back with y'all in just a minute because I don't have anybody to hold my phone to record this. Be right back. Okay, so as you can see, I've drawn a diagram of where the PVC pipe is going to sit in there, and hopefully this should stop them from tumping it over. And right now my chickens are hungry. My chickens are mad at me. I hadn't fed them this morning. Alright y'all, so I've got my 3 braces set up. I had to go find me some jigsaw blades to get it done. Anyway, fixing to put this together and I'll show you the aftermath. Okay y'all, this is the finished product. I'm going to put some duct tape over those holes. I didn't pay attention and saw that I'd already got a pre-drained PVC pipe. But all I did was cut little U's in those bracers. And then I just drilled a screw into each one to hold it up, because our chickens keep knocking over all the feeders, and this should take care of that. Alright, fixing to put it in here and see how it goes. Alright, here we go. For some reason they had, there we go. Now we let's see if we got any eggs today. Bam! We put these store-bought white eggs in here, and for some reason they it seems to help them lay extra. Oh, got one. Excuse me, I'm sorry. Anyway, we're gonna let her do her thing. And yeah. So they're walking all over it. They're not tumping it over. Since chickens have a pecking order, it's spread out enough for them. And it looks to be working out pretty good. Alright then.